In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to connect Facebook to WhatsApp. This allows seamless customer interaction through features like Click to WhatsApp ads, enabling potential clients to connect directly via WhatsApp from Facebook pages or ads. To connect your Facebook to your WhatsApp, simply head to Facebook. Onto the Menus page, tap on the Settings icon to access your Facebook settings. Navigate into the section of your activity. Inside this section, head to WhatsApp. Tap right here on Connect Another Number. If you don't have no connected number, you will see the option of Connect Number. Tap right here to look for your country code, then after enter your WhatsApp number. Once done, tap on Send Code to WhatsApp. Enter in the code and your Facebook will get connected to your WhatsApp. This simplifies sharing content between platforms and enhances social interactions. However, users should configure privacy settings carefully to ensure data security. Well, that's how easy it is to connect your WhatsApp to Facebook profile. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.